battles. This ain't no none of that. Hey yo, I bagged this bad Arabic bitch. She gave me the connect to the guns. Her daddy on some terrorist shit. So when I'm clearing the clip, I could bury a strip. Letting off the HK like she's staring her whip. Mommy arrived, we like Bonnie and Clyde. Body a guy, catch a homie and hide. We on some other shit. I ain't the one you should be rumping with. Hit him with some chunky shit. Tighten his ass up like a monkey wrench. Before he jumped the fence, he already dead. Won't even make it to Albany Met. How real is that? The fofo will take the logo off his fitted cap. Just relax, this is real life, not Cinemax. I'm no Will Smith, but I'm rolling with men in black. Heavy in the pack, carrying them straps, big as Shaq. My click attack like a pack of hyenas. They'll eat your ass up like a black and white zebra. But fuck fighting, I'd rather clap the 9-liter. Just a gun and get away without a scratch on my sneaker. I said, so you foes better go chill, or I'ma let the foes spill until your ass roll kill. You fuck with dread, put him out his comfy bed. Put holes in his face like Halloween pumpkin heads. I'm trying to up my bread, get it quick. If you got it, I'm in your pocket. You better run it like Emmitt Smith, or get hit with the metal thing. The way them slugs fly, you would swear that they came with metal wings. And it clip hole like 17, so when I let it off, you gon' feel it in your chest like double springs. These slugs make him see blood when he's spitting cough. A chest shot to knock a nigga a whole nipple off. I'm juxing niggas that be quick to floss. Pistol in his mouth like dental floss just to get that Christian cross. My heart is big as yours, I ain't scared of you lames. I pop to it, get hot like blue flames. Hopping out the new range with the huge chain. And the rocks is all blue like Snoop Gang. I don't associate with faggot men, I chop them up, slash the skin, they gon' have to figure out what bag he in. I make a horse scream soon as I put the magnum in. And she got a man, but she ain't trying to go back to him. I bang like an African, the strokes make her go nuts. I'm the rock him high, your boyfriend is gold dust. I ain't trying to sell him, just tell him to get his dough up. Cause I be all in the bread like cold cuts. And you don't know about the 40s I'm copping, nigga, I'm racking up like overnight stocking. He acting up, I leave him holy like stockings. I'm a pimp, that's why your bitch has her throat on my condom.